It's snowing. My heat just died. I have no idea who to call. My kids are turning into popsicles. My parents are here. This is a disaster. Chattering teeth, refrigerant leak, frozen coils, electrical gremlin. I don't know. I just know my house is becoming an igloo and I am losing my mind. Then the phone rang. ThermoShield HVAC showed up in record time. They diagnosed a frozen evaporator coil and fixed it. My elderly parents, warm, my kids, happy, my sanity, restored. ThermoShield fixes heating emergencies for everyone. Families, seniors, people with health issues. Nobody gets left in the cold. Whether it's a refrigerant leak, electrical problem, or your system's just dead, ThermoShield HVAC handles it. 24/7 emergencies, real technicians, real solutions. Don't freeze. Call ThermoShield HVAC today at 206 Warm Now or visit thermoshield.com for same-day emergency service. ThermoShield HVAC, because nobody should suffer through winter. Emergency heating? We're 30 minutes away. thermoshield.com.